YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site naman tayong pagkakakitaan. Ito ang TRX.International. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-create ng ating account or makapag-register dito? Ilagay lamang ang ating mobile number and then yung ating login password, security password at yung ating invitation code and then yung ating code. So ikakopy lang natin siya dito at paste. And then lalagay nyo lang kung anong country kayo guys. So dito tayo sa Philippines. So once na na-fill up nyo siya guys, click lang natin to sign up. So yun guys, so once na nakapag-sign up or create na tayo ng ating account at makapag-login, merong latest announcement sa atin si TRX.International. So 1. Company introduction, TRX.International official Telegram group, t.me/TRX International. So TRX.International currently has more than 10 self-built mines, cooperative mines all over the world. So the world's leading one-stop blockchain computing power ecosystem, TRX.International America Mining integrates 19 countries, regions in the world with more than 1 million mines machine. In December 2020, Thrones miners earned nearly $1 billion. So professional cloud mining such as TRX.International has won the trust of customers. Second, introduction to the mine. Top 10 mining bases in the world. Number 1, Throne Mine Number 1, located next to the Girard Power Station in the upper reaches of the Columbia River in Washington State in the northern western United States. And then 2, Throne Number 2 Mine, located next to the Tugurio Power Station in the northern Brazil. And then 3rd, Throne Number 3 Mine, located in the Zambezi River, Zimbabwe, next to the Mozambique Power Station. 4, Throne Number 4 Mine, located in the lower reaches of the Tocantins River in the Amazon region of northern Brazil, next to the Cori Power Station. And 5, Throne Number 5 Mine, located to the Tacoma Power Station in the lower reaches of the Macaroni River in Venezuela. 6, Throne Number 6 Mine, located in the upper reaches of the Parana River of the border of the Brazil, Paraguay, next to the Itaipu Power Station. 7, Throne Number 7 Mine, located to the nuclear power station in Kelgar, Karnataka on the banks of the Kalinadi River in India. 8, Throne Number 8 Mine, located at the upper reaches of the Zingo River in the lower reaches of the Amazon River in Brazil, next to the Mailisian Power Station. 9, Throne Number 9 Mine, located to the Guri Power Station in eastern Venezuela. And then the last one is the 10, Throne Number 10 Mine, located at the upper reaches of the Yenisei River in Siberia, next to the Science Sushek Power Station. 3, income explanation. So the site daily mining revenue is 6%. New user registration successfully deposit at least 5 TRX to activate the account. So second is a permanent withdrawal limit. Deposit 1 to 29,999 TRX daily withdrawal is 2.5%. So deposit of 30,000 to 199 and 999 TRX daily withdrawal 3%. So deposit of 200,000 to 499 and 999 TRX daily withdrawal 4%. And then deposit of 500,000 to 999 and 999 TRX daily withdrawal is 5%. Deposit of 1 million MI TRX daily withdrawal 8%. So the MI deposit, the higher the income, the faster the payback, the higher the daily withdrawal limit. So third, promotional rewards. Please promote your sharing link on your Facebook and Facebook group, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram group, any social media platform. Share link plug into the website. Click the share button to enter. If anyone will register deposit, you will receive a commission up to 17%. This commission will be credited to your promotional account. So, yun nga, no? Dito tayo sa ating home. Meron total balance sa ating si TRX International na 1,000 TRX. So, meron tayong deposit and withdrawal dito, guys. So, magtungo na tayo sa ating trading. So, once na nakatungo tayo sa ating trading, we have here the trading profit, 24-hour settlement. Cloud mining is 6%. So, meron tayo dito 60 TRX, 25 transaction revenue. So, click lang natin to receive. So, once na click natin yung receive, magtungo tayo sa ating share. So once na nakatungo tayo sa ating share, we have here the QR code and then yung ating referral link. So ikakopy lang natin to siya guys, and then i-share natin siya through social media like Facebook, Instagram at Messenger para makapag-earn tayo ng ating rewards. So magtungo tayo sa ating mine. So yung guys, once na nakatungo tayo sa ating mine, meron tayong total balance na dito na 1,060 TRX. So we have here the deposit and withdrawal. So TRX deposit quantity, add 5 TRX to the account at one time to activate the account and turn on the withdrawal function. So magtungo tayo sa ating deposit. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-deposit dito sa ating site? I-click lang natin itong ating deposit. So yun nga guys, so once na-click natin yung ating deposit, meron tayo dito ng TRX address. So ito yung ating copy address. So yun nga guys, no, itong copy address natin to guys, ika-copy lang natin to at i-paste natin siya sa ating Binance account para makapag-deposit dito sa ating site. So magtungo tayo sa ating Binance account. So yun nga guys, so once nakatungo tayo sa ating Binance, magtungo tayo sa ating wallet. Then withdraw. Then, click natin itong TRX. Then, send via crypto network. So, may nakalagay nga dito na send TRX. So, ito nga guys, no? Ito yung address. And then, yung ating amount. So, ilong press lang natin yung kinapi-paste natin na referral na link galing sa ating site. Then, i-paste natin siya guys at ilalagay natin yung ating desired amount na i-withdraw natin dito sa ating Binance account para ma-deposit sa ating site. So yun nga guys, once na paste na natin yung ating link and then yung ating desired amount dito, click lang natin itong ating withdrawal. And then confirm. So may this one dito guys, no, after withdrawal is complete, the asset will be transferred to the recipient address. Please make sure you have entered the correct address. So please make sure that you fully understand how the assets are used and the possible risks involved. Beware of pyramid schemes, illegal fundraising, and scams. So meron din tayo dito, I fully understand the potential risks associated with asset withdrawal and confirm that I would like to continue withdrawing my assets. So click lang natin itong check, then confirm. So yun nga guys, na meron tayo ditong verification. So may mag-send sa ating cellphone number at ating Gmail na code. Then i-input lang natin yung mga ating code na natatanggap dito sa ating mobile verification code at email verification code. So click lang natin itong send code. So yun guys, na once na i-input na natin ating mga code sa nagaling sa ating cellphone number at Gmail, so click natin itong submit. So ayan guys, no, request submitted na yung ating withdraw dito sa ating Binance account para makapag-deposit sa ating site. So magtungo tayo sa ating site kung talagang pumasok yung ating dineposit doon. So ayan guys, nandito tayo sa ating site. So pumasok na nga yung ating dineposit sa ating Binance account para makapag-deposit dito sa ating site. So yung total balance natin guys is 1,089 TRX. So yan nga guys, may pumasok na siya. So paano naman mag-withdraw dito sa ating site? So click naman natin itong ating withdrawal. Once na-click na natin yung ating withdrawal, meron dito yung basic account balance TRX, 24-hour withdrawal. So, ang total balance natin is 1,089. And then the daily withdrawal limit is 0.72. And then we have here the basic account and then the quota, which is the desired amount na i-withdraw natin guys. And then yung ating wallet address sa Binance, ipipaste lang natin siya dito guys para makapag-withdraw at doon papasok sa ating Binance account. So, enter natin yung ating security password. So, yun nga guys, na once na input na natin yung ating desired amount and then yung ating wallet address and then yung ating security password, click lang natin itong ating confirm. So, yung withdrawal success na siya guys, no? Nagbabas na rin yung ating withdraw dito sa ating site. So, magtungo naman tayo sa ating Binance account kung talagang pumasok na nga yung ating withdraw dito sa ating site. So yun guys, namang sa nagtungo tayo sa ating Binance, pumunta tayo sa ating wallet para i-check sa ating history kung pumasok na nga ba yung ating dineposit dito na withdraw natin galing sa ating site. So wallet. And then ito yung last history natin guys. Ayun na nga guys, pumasok na nga yung ating withdraw sa ating site na 0.72 TRX. So completed na siya guys now. So yun, napaka-legit talaga ng ating site. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-register na kayo at i-click ang notification bell at subscribe button para update kayo sa mga i-release ko.